Good morning guys! So ngayon pupunta tayo sa site to check out the construction progress. Let's go! Ngayon magdadala tayo ng merienda kala kuya. So, ayan pupunta tayo sa site to check their progress as well. So, let's go! Okay, so now we're gonna find for a place to eat. Nagulat na kami. Medyo pagod from the meeting. Tapos, itong site, checking namin ngayon. Buti na lang hindi ganun kainit. And, ayan, sobrang presko ang hangin. Oh, see? What's that? A bird? Barbecue. Okay, bumalik kami sa site to talk to our architect kasi kanina wala siya dito. May kailangan lang kami mga i-finalize for the water system namin. So, tara na. Balik tayo ulit sa site. It's gonna be busy.
Yeah.
So, tapos na kami sa meeting with the architect. Ayun, babalik muna kami para mag-asikaso ng mga ibang work namin. And yung mga deliveries also. So, yeah, it's a busy day. Monday. So, tonight, nagbabalat kami ng sile. So, sige, Art, say hello. Say hello to the vlog. Say, welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to the vlog, guys.
Ayan, siya yung tumutulong sa akin tonight. Yummy.
Yummy yan, guys. Yummy.
Mamaya si Kuya ang mag-try. So, let's see if he can survive.
Two hours.
Just for this. Makakapagluto na.
Luto na, guys.
Yes.
Luto na yung tip cook. Tip cook.
Kami lang yung assistant. Taga-prep.
Kami lang hinihintay ng aming cooker.
Yes. Yay! We're done!
Natapos ni Randy, guys.
Napagod na si Kuya. Give me. Ito na. Oh, show it to the vlog. Your hard work. Hard working.
Bilis lang namin natapos. 2 oras. 2 oras, guys.
Yay!
Bye!
Ha?
Sarap. Parang... Yara.
Sambal.
Sarap siya. Come on. Sit. Sarap.
Walang joke yan ha.
Walang
Walang
joke.
bola ha.
Wala halong bula. Sarap talaga.
Pag nag-joke yan, hindi yan ako.
If it's joking. Not really gonna.
Yes.
That is kind of Ako, hindi ako sobrang kumakain ng
Ilang katulad.
Pag ano sa bagoong.
Pareho din sa kanin. Kasi yung kanin, hinaluan na lang nila.
To mix with the rice.
May gata, may mga ingredients. So try mo na may kasama ka. Ang kanin.
Ang gata yan.
So with the rice. With the rice.
Ang gata.
Coconut rice.
Coconut lang.
Kaya nag-iiba yung lasa ng pagkakain.
Asam pala ko.
Sarap.
No?
Sarap.
But this is not enough ingredients.
But spicy.
Spicy, yeah? What is this?
Pag naluan ng ano, rice.
Huwag ka nang mag-ano salita.
Rice.
Hindi ka kumakain.
Ang hangay.
Nalagay lahat ng
Yung ano yan, sausawan.
masarap.
Sarap.
Yung sausawan.
The
Dip, actually, sambal.
Sambal.
noodles na.
But this is not perfect yet.
Sabi
Pero
niya,
masarap siya.
sabi niya kanina, ayoko
Pag
yung patikim.
sausawan siya.
Sabi niya, ayoko yung patikim para ate kasi hindi masarap, hindi pa kompleto.
Hindi, masarap yung
If
sausawan.
complete, more sarap.
Ako, sarapan ako.
Inubos po niya yung ano, sauce. Iano ko yun.
Wow.
Sausawan ko yun.
Meron pa.
Hanggang pa.
I said, we have a lot of sambal.
Tingi ako ngaya.
Ayaw mo
Masarap
naman.
kahit mga...
Ako, sarapan.
Later daw,
Okay, I will taste your...
Wow!
Lala, pini.
See? See?
2 plates!
See? Hindi niya akong binigyan ng sauce.
I'm sorry.
The sauce.
Ito sa very nice food.
Very
Sorry.
nice, eh? Oh, yes.
Sorry. Very nice food. Because it is spicy. Very.
Nice.
Wow! Kuya!
Thank you.
Thank you for the food.
Thank you for the food.
Blueprint rin.
Finish.
It's finished!
Finish. Okay. Good. Finish.
Good, good!
Yes.
Good!
Very good.
Very good.
Spicy. Very good.
Wow!
Thank you so
Salamat!
much. Thank you. Hello guys. Thank you.
Sigurado.